Hey everybody, it's Crystal with Wreaths of Circle Creek, and today I'm going to be making a cute little Halloween wreath. I have this cute little kitty cat. Let me put it that way so you don't see that glare. But he's a cute little, he looks kind of like a little vintage kitty cat. He actually reminds me of my aunt's cat called Smoke, so maybe we name him Smoke. um, but he has these cute little jack-o'-lanterns. He's real cute for Halloween or Falloween. Real cute. And then I'm gonna use this chocolate reform with him. And let's see, I think we're gonna do the poof method. So I'm gonna use this good fabric mesh on here. And then the ribbons I have, and I'm sorry guys, I'd like to hold it all up, but I want to be able to show you. So I'm going to use these ribbons, and these are like fall pumpkins, but they match the sign pretty good. So I'm going to use that and see what that looks like. And then I know we're going to do the poofs, and I'm going to do and put a little bit, add a little bit. I had some orange scraps and some black scraps, so I cut these at 14 inches, and I have about 9 of them and 9 of these. And I think I'm going to try to make a little curl and a ruffle and put some throughout the wreath. So if you want to come and join me, please do. And if you're making a wreath, please let me know what wreath you're making. But I'm going to turn this down, and we're going to get started. See you soon. I'm going to start off with the poof method. I usually like to do the ruffles, but I haven't done a poof in a while, so I thought we'd start with that. I am not exact on the poof. I more so eyeball it, and then sometimes I come back and I redo the poof if I think it looks really odd. But how I just usually start is just grab the roll, and it might have been good if I had my mesh holder, which that really does help sometimes, but you just start. I'm going to start here, and I kind of grab a good amount, and I kind of curl it right here, and then I gather it, and I'm going to end up cutting this. So I know you see this, but don't worry. So I'm just trying to get it started for me, and I go in here and I put 1, 2, so it's in there. I'm going to push this in the back because eventually I'll come back here to cut this edge off a little bit and then zip tie it. So it's held on there good. But I am going to go ahead and cut those strings off because that will bother me. So, okay. And then I just kind of curl it. And then I'll pull it like this. And we're keeping it kind of curled underneath. So we pass this one, go to this one, and then go up. And then I'm going to push it down here. And then 1, 2. And you can kind of fluff these if you want to as you go, or get them around and then do it. And same thing here. Just going to kind of get a good hold on it, curl it, pass this one up, go here, and then I'm just going to put it in this tie. And then sometimes make it a little poofier. So I kind of eyeball it. I don't like mine way too big. I just like it a little bit to peek through. And then we go here, come back up here. And just kind of get it between those ties, and then I tighten it. And you got your poof. Then we'll go one more. Just kind of get a good hold. And I'll come to here. Open my tie. Oh, Dixie moved. I have Dixie in here with me today. She's sleeping. She's 13. She's a sweet girl. That's my puppy dog, the white puppy dog in the back if you see her. When I don't have my mesh holder, which is nice for this, I end up kind of just holding my form up if I need to, so I get a good grip. and then I just open it. And put it in there. You can kind of fluff these out a little bit if you want to. But what wreaths are y'all working on? Are you doing a wreath while you're watching this? If you are, let me know what you're working on. So I get some Halloween ones out, and then I need to, I don't know about y'all, but I'm low on the fall. I need to get fall and start doing some Christmas. Be fun. Can y'all believe we're already in that season, or getting in ready for that season? Right. Let's see. So, I like to try to curl it, especially with the 10 here. 10, 1. There we go. Push it back. That fabric mesh is nice and thick, so definitely will hide your ring at the bottom. But the, the Deco, the poly mesh, it has a little more, I think, a little more bounce to it too sometimes. So if you really want to get a good poof, sometimes those are nice. Take it back. See, I didn't curl that under, so I'm just going to re-straighten it, curl it. Back. So, how is the weather where y'all are at? What are y'all's temps? It is still hot here. Of course, it's going to be hot for a long time, but it's like just unbearably hot. Went to, this Saturday we live in Cleveland, Texas, but we went to San Marcos to go see our nephew graduate up there from state with his marketing degree. So very proud of him. And luckily it was inside. But afterwards, go out and take pictures. And it was like, the temperature read like 107 degrees, guys. That's hot. It's really hot. I think kind of unseasonably hot. We're hot down here anyways, but it's really hot. So then I'm just going to keep going. And then what I'll do is I'll go, let's see, I just kind of might put it here. And then I start this way. So I do kind of make a poof here. Again, guys, I just kind of eyeball it. But I'm going to make a poof here. And then it gets me up to my top tie. And I'll push that down. And then I'll just kind of open this up. And then I'm going to do the same way with the poof. Next time I'll bring my roller. Help me with the mesh a little bit better. But you just go and you're doing your poof. And just kind of stick it in there. Oh. Yeah, and then we got that going. And I'll keep doing the top, and then when I'm done with the top, I'll go back, and underneath here, I will zip tie this in. Let me see. Oh, you can't see that. Sorry. This in to the bar, just to kind of make sure it's there supported, and then the top tie too. So when I come back, this will be done, and I think we'll go ahead and get the sign on, and then, oh no, we're going to do the mesh. We'll see. Please come back. Okay, so I got the poofs on, and now we're gonna play with these. Let's see, and add a touch of color in here. So I cut these at 14, I believe, and I'm gonna make sure I'm being honest with you. Yes, 14. So I'm thinking we're gonna do like a little curl, 1, 2, and then just ruffle it together. until you get to the end, and then I'm going to curl it again. 1, 2. It's kind of a little bit of a messier curl and a ruffle, but it's a way to put in the curls. So then I'm just going to go here. I'm actually going to open up the tie so I can kind of push it in more. There you go. I'm just going to close it because I'm going to come back and put a black one in here. So this is 14 inches cut, and I'm just going to roll it, 1, 2, and then ruffle, and then roll it, 1, 2, and just kind of play with it a little bit. I'm going to open this tie back up and put it in here on top of the orange, and then stuff it in there, 1, 2. Just kind of fix it, puff, yeah. We're going to see what that looks like. So, and then I'm just going to skip one and then do every other one. So it's just a little pop of color coming through. So let's see. So let's see. Skip this one. Go to this one. We'll do the orange. One, 2. And then just gather it or scrunch it. Then 1, 2. It's kind of, sorry guys. It's not much on the cut, so you're just kind of, I think to me it's like a way of making curls, and then just a little bit in a little different way. So I'm going to place it in here, push it down in the middle. Let's see, I hope this comes out looking okay. We'll see. But how do y'all like to make your wreaths? If you're doing deco mesh, do y'all like poofs, ruffles? Please feel free to leave me comments. I like to talk to y'all. And then just punch it. We're going to put our black in here. Just hold it in the middle. It's going to kind of look like a little messy ruffle curl. Pull it up. Then I usually, on accident, smash everything, so I have to go back and poof it a little bit. So yeah, I think the pop of color might look pretty neat on it. Let's see. Let's get this one. One more time. So I'm just going to curl it, 1, 2, and then scrunch till I get to the end. And I'm going to try to messy curl here, then crunch it. And then place it in the tie. And our black one. These are great. When they get to the end of the rolls of the mesh that had left over, they're always they're more curlier, which is great for when you're doing things like this. Sorry, curled for you a little bit. Let's put it here. Open up. 1, 2. All right, guys, I'm going to keep doing that, and then we're going to come back and then put on the sign, and then we'll do our ribbons. See you soon. Okay, guys, so I have the mesh in and the sign already in. I just put the wire in. I did videotape me putting the sign in, but I guess I wasn't videotaping, so I'm sorry about that. But honestly, you probably didn't miss anything except me just trying to put the sign in. But now we are ready for the ribbon. He's looking cute. I think it's just a pretty picture on that sign. So we're just using these two ribbons, and I'm just going to put them in the ties. So I cut these at 12 inches, and then I'm just going to fold them and then gather the middle, kind of fan them out, stick it in the middle. A very full wreath. And then I'm going to just use those big ties, just leave those on, and then I'm just going to spread out my ribbons. Usually I put them on, and then at the end I come out and spread them out and mess with them, but kind of always like to kind of curl the 1.5 if I can. So just kind of position it the way you want it, and then you go to the next one. We're going to do the same thing. Do y'all like Halloween? And then some people don't. I think it's cute. I love Halloween. I like cute Halloween. Not real scary. It's cute. I think they're fun to do because you get all the play with the vibrant colors. But I like fall, Halloween, and Christmas, of course, right? Put them in here. And I'm just tying them in. And then just kind of position them how you'd like them. So hopefully this turns out cute. We're about to see, huh? So take my 2.5, 1.5, and I kind of just move that 1.5 out a little bit, and then I fold it just to find my middle. If you like any of these supplies, you can get these at wreathscirclecreek.com. I do have these. I have a whole bunch of this ribbon right here, the stripe with the polka dot. It's a good canvas ribbon. Of course, they're all wired. I have those in different colors too. I think I got orange, purple, yellow, of course this color, teal, blue, red. We got a lot of colors of those. These are good for a lot of wreaths. You just do that. So I'm going to keep doing this, and then we're going to see what it looks like. I'm going to raise the camera up and show y'all. Thank y'all for watching it, and I'll be back. Alright guys, here is the kitty cat wreath. It turned out pretty cute. I just like that sign. But thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all watching me and being patient with me. And please let me know what wreaths you're working on. And if you like any of these supplies, visit our shop at wreathscirclecreek.com. And if you like this wreath, it's available. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.